I think this is a crazy social media and even SEO opportunity that might not be around for that long, maybe a couple of months. If you are watching on YouTube, you will see some videos. These are videos from Luma AI's Dream Machine with a new feature called Keyframes. Keyframes let you turn one image into another. And the videos that are playing are memes turning into different memes. This is so funny. And this is great for engagement. I previously talked about how when Dream Machine came out, people were using it to just animate popular memes. They would take popular image memes, put them into Dream Machine, and then make them move. And instead of just using a normal image meme in your marketing, you could use one of these moving memes. And these moving memes get a lot more engagement. In fact, I'll give you some data on this. I made a video about these moving memes. When they came out, that video got 1.6 million views. I did not expect it to get that many views. I just made it really fast because I thought these moving memes were so entertaining. And the video continues to get views, and I made that video around 2 weeks ago, which is why I think the opportunity that I will share with you will exist for a couple of months. But people like these AI moving memes, popular image memes that are turned into videos. So here's the idea I have, and if my SEO program was out now, I would be using this for that. It's not out yet. I'm still working on it. If it was out, I would be using it for that because I think this is such a big opportunity for engagement and even SEO. So what is this opportunity that I keep talking about? Take a popular meme, an image meme, put it into Dream Machine with Luma AI. I was looking at Luma AI's pricing for Dream Machine. It's really cheap. It's like $25 or $70 a month. And the extra engagement you can get by using these videos makes it well worth it. So take a popular image meme, put it into Dream Machine by Luma AI, and then have it transform into an image of your product or an image that might represent a point of why your brand is good, why your brand is useful. So you could have one of two different AI meme videos to get extra engagement. Video one is just taking a popular image meme and transforming it into an image that represents your brand. Video two is taking a popular image meme and transforming it into an image that represents a point that you are trying to make. The reason why this is a big deal is because if you are making videos on TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or any of these other platforms like I am, doing this can be the difference between getting a few dozen views and literally hundreds of thousands or millions of views, especially now. The reason I say that this might be a fleeting opportunity is I think lots of people are going to do this and it could quickly become overused, but it's not there yet. I'm so hyped about this opportunity. I have a graphic for my program Compact Keywords. I could take a popular image meme and turn it into that graphic. I could turn a popular image meme into a magnifying glass that represents search engine optimization. I could turn a popular image meme into a black hat hacker and connect 2 points. The popular image meme at the beginning would represent point one, and the black hat hacker that the image transforms into represents point two. I think right now, retention editing, which is these fast cuts and all these sound effects in video, I think it's a bit played out. And that's because so many people started doing it. Lots of people used AI tools to do it or just got editors to do it. But I think it's played out. I think what really works now is simple editing, basically what I'm doing. But I don't think these moving image memes or image memes transforming into something that represents a product or a brand, I don't think these are played out at all. And I think that they will last for at least a couple of months. And these are a lot more engaging than just putting a random image into a video on TikTok or Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts or the rest of them. Now, here's where search engine optimization comes into play with this. I just made a video about how if you take a keyword, so something that people search on Google, if you take a keyword and you put it at the very beginning of a video description, the written video description, you put it right at the start of the description, then you write a long description explaining the video, how the keyword is relevant to the video, not super long, maybe 2,000 characters, maybe even 1,500 characters. In fact, the limit on Instagram Reels for a description is only 2,200 characters. So it really is not that long, but you write the description that kind of maxes out the character count. Let's just say around 1,500 to 2,000 characters. And you take your keyword and you put it at the beginning of the video description. And if you have a video that performs well in terms of it gets a bunch of comments, there's a very good chance, and I've done this myself several times, and I've talked about this now on a bunch of videos, there's a very good chance that that video will show up the next day on Google. So what does this mean with these moving image memes? This means that you can make a bunch of videos talking about your product, talking about your brand. You can put in keywords that you would like to target for your brand and product. SEO keywords that you would like to target, you can put those in at the beginning of your video description and then add a long description to satisfy search intent, to make sense of the keyword, and make sure you pick a keyword that's relevant to the video because you need people sticking through the video. And then you take a popular image meme and you make it turn into your brand. And you do this so you get extra engagement, extra retention. People will watch longer because this is entertaining. So entertaining, like I said, when I was putting them in my videos, it was just very easy for me to get impressions, for me to get views. And the very first video I did it with got 1.6 million views. So you can target keywords and then use these moving memes to make it more likely that your videos get engagement enough so that you show up on Google for the keywords that you are targeting. Keywords around your brand, videos around your brand. And I think it's a big opportunity because of that, because not that many people are doing it yet. Not that many people are using this yet, especially for their products. When Midjourney first started getting popular, Midjourney videos were everywhere on TikTok and Instagram Reels. And they were so entertaining. And they still are. But before, it was just so easy to get views. Way easier than now. People have gotten more tired of that. But this is a blue ocean, for a little bit at least. It's a blue lake. Not quite an ocean, but it'll be around for a little bit. And I think it can really be used to get retention on content, so much so that you're able to make somewhat dry videos about your product or brand actually be engaging and get views. And I had this idea and I got so excited. And I said, this is what I'm sharing on the show today. I almost didn't want to share it because I think lots of people are going to do this and I want to do this myself. And my program isn't out yet, so I can't do this. But I think it's so good. And I just felt like I want to see people do it and kill with this because I think it's such a good idea. So that's what I wanted to share on this episode of the podcast. This is episode 360 daily podcasts that I have done in a row without missing a day. This is my daily digital marketing podcast. I do things every day for you all. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. I hope this was valuable. This is Dream Machine from Luma AI. I was just watching tutorial videos on how to do this, and it's super easy. So anybody could do it. Take some of these videos, put them in your TikToks, your Instagram Reels, and your YouTube Shorts, and just get a lot of extra attention. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Bye now.